Observers have criticized First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa's latest charitable outreach in Zimba, arguing that food handouts and festive donations do little to address the deepening poverty faced by many Zimbabweans. Food handouts will never end citizen suffering. Observers dismiss Auxilia Mnangagwa's relief program. Notable subscriber or like button on the bell icon. Tipina mzimbai. Auxilia Mnangagwa recently took the philanthropic activities to Zimba, where government officials announced that the First Lady had fed thousands through the First Lady Children Feeding Program. The initiative was presented as part of early year-end charitable plans aimed at providing holiday relief. In quotes, in the spirit of the season of giving, the First Lady Children Feeding Program, under the leadership of First Lady Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, has proactively brought its year-end philanthropic plans forward to provide immediate holiday relief, read a government statement. According to the announcement, the program delivered assistance to families affected by the Wilde evictions at the Nyabira Transit Camp in Zimba East, with officials saying the families were being remembered during these trying times. The initiative also targeted children through feeding programs, while grocery hampers for the elderly were scheduled for distribution. The outreach was represented by the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Marian Chombo, alongside local councillor Kudzibako, who expressed what authorities described as the community's deep gratitude. However, critics say such programs amount to short-term public relations exercises rather than meaningful solutions. Food handouts will never end citizen suffering, one observer said, arguing that poverty, unemployment, and displacement require structural economic reforms, not seasonal charity. Others questioned the timing and the framing of the initiative, noting that families affected by evictions need permanent housing and livelihoods, not temporary food aid. You cannot evict people and then present food parcels as a dignity, another critic remarked. However, authorities insist the program reflects the true spirit of Christmas, by spreading comfort and hope. Observers maintain that lasting dignity can only come from policies that restore livelihoods and protect citizens from displacement in the first place. Toma shukano mudashitauka panguwa ino. Penako section medu mzafunguro aim to deep on so each. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.